All right, so I'm going to be going over how you can make a lot of money trading cryptocurrency in 2021 and beyond. Now, I'm going to pull up a couple of my accounts here and show you what's worked for me over the last year. Now, I'm going to start off here with Coinbase. Now, I've got the monthly pulled up, but I wanted to go back 1 year and show you that I started with right around, I believe, maybe $4,000 or $5,000. So I was able to grow my account from, 5,000 up to, almost 80. It actually hit, I think, somewhere around like 96,000 at one point over the last 12 months. But just kind of going through here, showing you I had some ups and downs along the way. And it wasn't like I shot up, except there was one point when I shot up, but I came crashing down. You can see I was actually at like 97,000. But I had a couple bad trades and things didn't go my way. And basically what I've done up to this point to grow my account is what's called swing trading. And it's something that you can get good at, but you got to put like the work and time into it. Now, I am going to be showing you Coinbase. I'm going to show you Binance US in a second as well. And of course, if you want to get started on either of the exchanges I'm going to be going over, I'll throw some bonus links for getting started in both the description and comments of this video. But I also want to show you how I've made this happen. So I used to actually trade Chainlink quite a bit. And I'm just kind of going through the graph here so you can kind of see that, none of these crypto coins ever go straight up. There's moments when they go up, obviously, and then you can see they come crashing down just as fast. So when you're getting into crypto, the thing you got to understand is you don't want to be buying ever when things are going up. You want to be buying when things are going down, which is a really hard thing to understand. Now, I also used to, I haven't actually traded Stellar in a while, but I used to buy and sell this coin pretty frequently as well. But let me pull up one other coin here. In Ethereum. Ethereum, actually, I've been trading this coin for years now. Like I've been buying and selling it so much, right? But just taking a look at Ethereum on the year, it's up quite a bit. We're up to like $1,900, right? It's probably going to go to, I'm thinking between like 5 maybe to 10,000 by the end of the year. But that was another coin that I would swing trade. Now, Binance US is going to be a better place overall for doing like trading because the fees are a lot lower here. It's anywhere from like 0.1 to 0.5% for buying and selling, and they have much better charting, right? So I was showing you Coinbase. There's also Coinbase Pro. I'm not going to get into that because I still think Binance is better for, charts. If you do want to get into swing trading, you're going to need to get good at looking at charts, right? You got to look at trends. You got to see if things are, going up. Are they declining? You got to start to, understand when you need to get out of a trade. These are all things that come with experience, which I'm going to touch on more here in this video. But you're also going to need to do stop limits. This is when you set a limit for selling. So let's say you bought into a coin, we'll say Ethereum, it was at what, $1,900. Let's say that you put a stop loss at, $1,850. If it was going like the other way, you could get a stop loss to get out of it. The other thing here we got on Binance US, they've got over like 50 coins that you can buy, sell, and trade here as well, which is just another benefit. But I do want to break down this swing trading thing a little bit more in depth for you guys because I know I was kind of going a little bit fast. So let me see what coin I'm going to pull up here. I think maybe I'm going to go back to Ethereum. Yeah, let's just check out Ethereum real quick. Ethereum. Had to think about it a little bit right there. Okay, so let's go on the 1 month here. Now, there have been times where you can see Ethereum 1745 and it went down to 1500, right? If you were buying into these lows when it was selling off, what you're trying to do is, like I said, buy in when things are going down, and then when it goes up anywhere from like 5, 6, 7%, get your money out, sell, and then rinse and repeat this process. That is exactly how I've gone from 5,000 to 80,000 or almost even 100,000 on just this one account, over the last 12 months. Anyways, hope this helps you guys out. Obviously, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. Feel free to message me below in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.